Hi, Alan Stratton from woodturned. Recently I visited the shop of a fellow club member, Vladimir, and he showed me a lot of neat stuff that he was doing, but one thing that he shared was the story of the egg of Columbus, or Columbus egg. So here's one that I made for this video. A Columbus egg is actually something that after the fact is so obvious that anybody can do it, and that is the case here. This egg will spin and stand upright when you spin it because of the complex physics that I don't understand involved with it. So, but for now, let's make this Columbus egg, and thank you, Vladimir.
I have mounted this piece of linden wood between centers. It was standing dry wood from a linden tree in my yard. I'll round it with my bowl gouge. Nothing special about rounding it over, it's just a spindle to make round as quickly as possible. Now that that is done, my next step is to trim the end. This is a good opportunity to use a skew with a peeling cut. Handle low to start, lift as the wood peels away. Now for some measurements. The diameter is about 1.9 inches. Then digging out my phone for the calculator, I'll multiply that by the golden mean ratio of 1.618. That tells me the length of my egg needs to be 3.07 inches. I'm marking that distance and half that on the surface of the cylinder. Now I can waste away the other end with a spindle gouge. Then a parting cut at the mark and clean up with my skew. Now to round over each end of the egg, starting with a spindle gouge. Then finish off with my favorite negative rake scraper, my skew. A little sanding. With the sanding done, I'm reducing both end spindles with my skew. I don't want to cut it completely. Then remove it and break off the spindles. Finally, I've mounted a small disc sander in a Jacob's chuck. I'm sanding the ends gently with each grit. To finish, I'm wiping the egg with walnut oil. Since this egg will be rolling on the floor and subject to many other things my grandchildren will do, I don't want a finish with a surface film. Walnut oil will serve nicely and be renewable if necessary. Next, I need to test my egg's spin. Well, will you look at that? It stands up and spins, or rather, it spins and stands up. This simple egg definitely qualifies as an egg of Columbus, a simple shape using the golden mean that stands up and shouts, "Hey, I'm spinning vertically." I'll probably make a bowlful, then I can amaze people by spinning them. This egg was easy and fun to make. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe on my website, tell your friends, and send me your comments and questions. Every week I make a new wood turning video. Please wear your full face shield. Goggles are not enough protection. Until next week, this is Alan Stratton from woodturned.